let me bundle up very important key elements of pre-purchase inspection just within few minutes. Pre-purchase inspection for business jets are so critical to ensuring that the buyer making the well-informed and safe investment. A thorough visual inspection of aircraft exterior and interior is conducted to check any visible sign of damage, corrosion or wear. The inspection includes the airframe, engine, avionic, landing gear and all other critical systems. The aircraft's maintenance and ownership records are carefully examined to verify its maintenance history, modification, and compliance with required inspection and service bulletins.